फहद मुस्तफ़ा, कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक।
इससे पहले कि हम स्टार्ट करें, मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहूँगा कि आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या हैं इस शो से?
मैं डरा हुआ हूँ आपसे। आई डोंट नो आप क्या दिमाग से निकाल ले मेरे। सो आई ट्राई नॉट टू थिंक टू मच। लेट्स सी क्या जाता है।
ऑलराइट, यू शुड थिंक हैप्पी थॉट्स।
या
तो आज हम आपके साथ काफ़ी सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। विल एक्सप्लोर द ट्रायंगल ऑफ टेलीपैथी, कैसे आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में डिफरेंट लोगों के साथ लिंक्ड होते हैं। वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्लोर दैट लेटर ऑन एज वेल। बट उससे पहले कि हम वो ट्राई करें, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ऑफ विद आवर रैपिड फायर राउंड।
ओके।
ये थोड़ा सा एक यूनिक रैपिड फायर राउंड है बिकॉज यहाँ पे आपको सवाल का जवाब देना नहीं, सोचना होगा।
सोचना हो। ओके।
ऑलराइट।
ओके।
सो चंद सवाल होंगे।
ठीक है।
एंड इजी क्वेश्चन है। जब मैं आपसे सवाल करूंगा, यू ओनली हैव टू फोकस ऑन द आंसर एंड आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट टू समहाउ फिगर आउट कि फहद मुस्तफ़ा अपने दिमाग में
क्या सोच रहे
हैं।
ठीक है।
ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फहद मुस्तफ़ा, सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट करने में आया?
एज इन फिल्म कौन सी?
यस। एंड so bring the name of a film in your mind and do not say anything out loud.
I won't.
Do you have a film in mind?
Yes.
All right, fantastic. Interesting. All right.
You fall in love like that.
Interesting. All right.
I feel like Kate Winslet and you're Leonardo DiCaprio.
It's all love here, don't worry. All right, so I think it's पहला try है. This is the first time I'm attempting to read your thoughts. So, what is the name of the project or venture or film that is very special to you? What is it?
Am I supposed to say it now?
Say it.
Actor-in-law. Actor-in-law.
Exactly what I got.
But not anymore though. I've done Qaid-e-Azam Zindabad, so I'm looking forward to that.
All right, but this is what you
This
had.
is till now, yeah. This is what it is.
All right. Amazing. All right, let's move to the next one. Second question. अगर किसी भी ड्रामे में एक्ट करने का मौका फिर से मिले तो कौन सा कैरेक्टर प्ले करेंगे?
अपना?
Yeah, अपना. Yeah. You've played a gazillion characters and I'm sure some of them or most of them would be near your heart, but bring just one in your mind. एक अपने दिमाग में लेके आए. Do you have a name in mind?
Yes.
All right. जैसे किसी को प्यार से बुलाते हैं.
हाँ, मैंने एक चीज़ देखी थी, उसमें ये कैरेक्टर था. It's a very iconic character. So I thought कि maybe I could play this character.
सही.
I loved it.
क्या नाम है?
जानू जर्मन. क्या बात. Nice. I think it's amazing, yeah. You're good. See, now I don't want to think a lot of stuff. बहुत सारी चीजें
I
मेरे
can see you internalizing a lot of.
I so want to ask you something very else, but I'm not going there. Yeah.
All right. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So, which drama is the closest to your heart? कौन सा आपका अभी तक का ऐसा ड्रामा सीरियल है जो आपके दिल के सबसे करीब है?
मैंने बहुत कम ड्रामे किए हैं, लेकिन जो किए हैं वो उनमें से हैं एक दो, लेकिन कुछ हैं जो कि लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा करीब लगते हैं, तो मुझे लगता है मुझे भी लगने चाहिए बिकॉज वो ज़्यादा होता है. सो या देयर इज़ वन दैट आई थिंक इज.
ऑलराइट. ऑलराइट, कौन सा ड्रामा है वो?
इट्स मैं अब्दुल कादिर हूँ, ऑफ कोर्स. even look like that character right
Really,
now.
I do.
Same glasses and stuff.
Alright.
ऐसा ही था मैं उस टाइम पे.
What was the character about? Like, what was so
Yeah,
special
it was
about
about a transition of a boy from bad to good probably. So वो बहुत सारी 3 अलग-अलग phases थे उसकी ज़िंदगी के, which I think a lot of people related to. A lot of people who are abroad, उनके ये मसले होते हैं.
सही.
आप यहाँ पे इतना ज़्यादा अपने कल्चर के, अपने मज़हब के करीब नहीं होते. बाहर जाके आप बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं.
True, because you miss home.
You miss home and वो सारी चीज़ें. तो मुझे बहुत सारे बाहर के ऐसे लोग थे who changed because of this character. So I somehow played a very, and then they met me later and I was still the same and they were like, "हमें change करके what have you done?" तो वो वाला एक चक्कर था. So I think
often people really take your character to the heart.
exactly. They thought कि मैं भी उसकी साथ change हो गया हूँ. But I think it played a very important role in a lot of people's lives. तो बड़ा interesting था वो.
Very nice. All right, fourth question.
Yeah.
कौन सा director आपको अपने craft में best लगता है? Now, I'm sure there's a lot of directors that you
I
would...
know. Tricky one.
Yeah, it's a tricky one. But just, it's situational, so just for now,
Yeah.
कोई भी एक अपने दिमाग में लेके आए.
Yeah.
So think about the answer.
Yeah.
Right, that was a quick yes.
Let's see how quickly you can get it.
I think it should be... I don't know a lot of directors also if... क्या नाम है?
I don't know a lot of directors. There are hardly any.
Alright, क्या नाम है?
It's Nabil Qureshi. It is Nabil Qureshi. See? वैसे बाकी सारे डायरेक्टर्स भी बहुत अच्छे हैं भाई. It's just I happen to work with him a lot, so नहीं लूँगा इसका तो नाम ये मार डाल. ये वाला चक्कर है.
Alright, we'll move to the last one. And then we are almost done. Alright. Last question है और थोड़ा सा personal है. Family के अलावा कोई एक चीज़ जिसके बगैर गुजारा मुश्किल हो. वैसे आपकी क्या like other than like you know.
यार I do a lot of things. Like मैं प्रोडक्शन भी करता हूँ, मैं एक्टिंग भी करता हूँ, मैं होस्टिंग भी करता हूँ. बट आप जिंदगी में कुछ एक चीज़ होते हो. तो वो जो एक होते हो आप, वो उसको आप जिंदा रखने के लिए बहुत कुछ आप करते हो.
I think you've given me enough clues, so I think this is going to be an easy one. You can tell me what it is that is the one thing.
I think it's acting. I'm an actor. Once an actor, always an actor.
Yes.
बाकी सारी चीजें I can't act every day. I don't
Yes.
want to be acting every day.
Of course.
But ये है कि उस पर जब वापस जाता हूँ तो मज़ा बहुत आता है.
सही. Alright, अब हम लोग मूव करेंगे अपने एक स्पेशल सेगमेंट की तरफ जिसको हम कहेंगे ट्रायंगल ऑफ टेलीपैथी.
Okay.
यहाँ पे हम ये देखेंगे कि आपकी ज़िंदगी में जो लोग आपसे लिंक्ड हैं
हाँ जी.
उनका आपके साथ क्या रिलेशन है और how does it all come together? How does it all make sense when you think about them? So, before I tell you what we're going to do, I'm going to tell you about a vision I had.
Okay.
And in this vision, I was walking down, it's almost like a street, and halki halki barish ho rahi thi, and I saw a tree.
Okay.
And underneath that tree was a bench.
Okay.
And on that bench was one person.
Just one.
Just one person. And I kid you not, I saw your face. You were sitting there. But at this point in time, I do not know what to say about it or how to make sense of it or what it would imply.
Okay.
So, but I need your help to make the entire sense of it. I need you to help me put the pieces together. So, मैं चाहता हूँ आपके पास आपका फ़ोन है?
हाँ जी है.
Okay. आप अपनी कॉन्टैक्ट लिस्ट में से अपनी मर्जी से किसी भी एक शख्स को कॉल करेंगे. Someone that you're positive about, someone that you know would answer right away.
Okay.
And I'm sure everybody would answer right away.
I hope so.
Fahad Mustafa. And so you're going to call them. और जब वो फ़ोन उठाएंगे तो आप उनको exactly यही scenario describe करेंगे. That you
I'm
had
sitting.
a vision.
I had a vision.
Yes.
I'm sitting on a bench.
No,
under a
you're going to tell them that they're going to imagine
Okay.
that they're walking down
Okay.
a street.
Yeah.
And there's a tree and a bench.
Okay.
And halki halki barish ho rahi है and there's one celebrity that's sitting
Celebrity.
there.
It can be anyone.
Any celebrity.
Okay.
And simply ask them what celebrity comes to their mind.
Okay. So I'm gonna call Hania Amir
All right.
because she's pretty, quick to guess stuff.
All right. Fantastic.
So let's see what happens. I hope she picks up my phone.
Let's see. We're rolling.
जलील हो जाता है ऐसे टाइम.
All right.
Alhamdulillah. Hello.
Hello Hania, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I hope you're not busy, Hania.
No.
Acha Hania, I'm sitting somewhere and I was given a scenario which I want to give it to you. And I want you to tell me whatever celebrity comes to your mind then. First listen to the scenario and then visualize it and just tell me कि कौन सा celebrity तुम्हारे ज़हन में आता है. It can be from anywhere. It's not just, यहीं से. So it's like you're walking down एक street के ऊपर and हल्की हल्की सी drizzle भी हो रही है. And then there is a tree and under that tree there's a bench. And that celebrity is sitting on that bench. So who do you think or who comes into your mind? Who's sitting there?
कोई भी हो सकता है.
Yeah, anyone.
Random.
Yeah, random.
Ariana Grande.
ये कौन है?
एक singer है.
Okay, so let me see if the guy has figured that out. Thank you, Anya. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Bye.
All right. Interesting. She said Ariana Grande.
Ariana.
All right, yeah. She's a well-known singer. Okay, Ariana Grande. I have written something over here as she was thinking. I was jotting something down over here.
Okay.
All right. But I don't want to get to it just yet because I think it might not make as much sense yet. I've written down a bunch of letters that I'm going to show you in a moment.
Okay.
But उससे पहले कि हम आगे बढ़े मैं चाहता हूँ कि एक दफ़ा और
हाँ.
एक और शख्स आपकी कॉन्टैक्ट लिस्ट में से
ठीक है.
जिसको आप कॉल करके यही सेम सिनेरियो डिस्क्राइब करें and let's see what they have to say.
Okay. It's
Hopefully
going to be
will work this time.
Nabil Qureshi.
Sure. All right.
Do you want to say, tell them to say the name out loud, right?
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. We want to know the name.
Let's see. So a girl picks up your phone and a boy doesn't.
You know
See,
that.
that's life for you. Qureshi sir.
Hello.
Thank you very much, sir. How are you? कैसे हैं आप?
बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक.
नबील, मैं कहीं बैठा हुआ हूँ एक शो में and they've given me a scenario. Now this is a scenario for you. तुझे इमेजिन करना है कि तुम एक जगह पे चलते हुए जा रहे हो, हल्की हल्की सी ड्रिजल भी हो रही है और एक दरख्त है और उस दरख्त के नीचे एक बेंच है and there is some celebrity who's sitting there. So what celebrity comes to your mind when I say this whole thing to you? Anyone.
Arjun Kapoor.
Thank you. Okay.
So very interesting. So Arjun and Ariana. These are the two random names we have. But मैं hope ये कर रहा हूँ that the letters that I have written would somehow relate to this. Now what I have written over here is actually the letters B, B and L. Now ना अर्जुन के अंदर B या L आता है, ना आर्याना के अंदर B या L आता है.
हाँ जी.
So I think there's something else that's going on over here. Just Google search Arjun for me.
Just Arjun.
Just Arjun.
Okay.
And just show me what comes up.
Okay.
Let's see how this goes. We're gonna try to make sense of this
Okay,
since
okay.
I've got BBL and they have said Arjun and Ariana, which is like Arjun, and just hit Google search.
Search.
Show me what comes up. Show me. Okay, so we have. So number one, we have Arjun Kapoor over here. You know Arjun Kapoor?
Yeah.
Okay, of course. So when you Google Arjun Kapoor comes up. Now I want you to Google Ariana. And I want to show you something that should make sense.
Just Ariana.
Yeah, sure. Or Ariana Grande, the full name as well. Doesn't
Okay,
matter.
okay.
I'm going to do the same over here.
So I have her here.
All right, great. And I'm going to do. Can you show me the screen? All right. Can you tell me Ariana's birthday?
Okay. It's 26th of June,
It's
1993.
It's 26th June. Very interesting. All right. So we have BBL over here. I'm going to come back to this. But we have 26th of June. So basically, if you look at it in numbers, it's 26 and June is the 6th month. Is that correct?
Yes.
So if we look at Arjun Kapoor's birthday,
Okay, let me
just
check.
just Google it.
You did? Arjun Kapoor birthday. It's 26th of June.
It's 26th of June again.
Yes.
All right. So we can. What a coincidence that you call two people and they both happen to come up with the 26th of June. So we have two of these, but I was talking about the triangle of telepathy, right?
So I'm also involved.
I am considering that you are the third part
Yes.
of this triangle.
Yes.
When were you born?
26th of June.
26th of June. Very interesting. 26th
This
of
is
June.
amazing.
All right. And I think if we add all of these up, आपने calculator खोली मेरी math?
जी जी मेरी भी मैथ्स बहुत वीक है.
All right.
Okay.
So just add 266 plus 266 plus 266.
266.
What is the total? 798. Which is exactly what
Now
I thought
this is amazing.
would happen.
This is interesting. ये क्या scene है?
I believe this is how you're linked.
Yes. I mind it.
Well, with that being said, Fahad, you're the greatest. You are the best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being a part of this. आपने वक्त निकाला, आप यहाँ पे आए. It really means the world to me.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. It's been an honor.
Thank you.
आप आखिर में कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
You're gifted, my friend, and God bless you. I hope आप इस सारी चीज़ को बहुत ही अच्छे और पॉजिटिव तरीके से इस्तेमाल करें.
Thank you very much. With that being said, आज तक इंसान अपने दिमाग के 10% को इस्तेमाल करते आया है और अगर आपको बाकी के 90% का पोटेंशियल पता लग जाए तो you will mind it. Thank you so much for watching and good night.